Let's make one of the best pasta recipes. Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we will prepare the simplest, dreamiest vegan cherry tomato noodles that are packed with flavors and made with ingredients you probably already have. So, let's get started. Use fresh cherry tomatoes for this recipe. I am using the cherry tomatoes from my kitchen garden. The flavors of freshly ripe cherry tomatoes are unmatched. Remove the stem and slice the cherry tomatoes like this, giving it a little bit of opening. This way, they will get cooked quickly and also absorb the flavors of the ingredients we are going to add. Add all the cherry tomatoes to the baking tray and sprinkle salt, black pepper powder, and olive oil. Give it a mix. Bake them over 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 17 minutes in a preheated oven. Time to cook the pasta. Take a white pan with the pasta water with a good amount of salt. Some people say it should taste like sea, but I will leave that choice to you. Then drizzle olive oil. Once the water comes to boil, add the pasta to it. I'm using spaghetti pasta for this recipe. One of the benefits of using a wide pan is that there is more room for the pasta. If you are new to cooking, be patient with this step. It doesn't take long for the pasta to cook. So as soon as the bottom part of the pasta gets soft, use a spoon or pasta or salad tong to swirl the pasta around the pot so it can cook evenly. Do this in 3 to 4 steps and that way the pasta won't break during the cooking process. Once the pasta is cooked, drain the pasta water and then top the pasta with a little bit of salt and a dash of olive oil. Make sure the pasta is covered as this will help to keep the pasta fresh and it won't get sticky. If you are new to vegan recipes, I have an online cooking course on Udemy, especially for beginners. It's called Learn to Cook Vegan and has more than 150 people enrolled. So click on the link in the description section or in the comments for this month's special offer with a flat 70% off. Time for the final step. Heat a pan and add olive oil. Add grated garlic and make sure that the heat is set to low. Stir fry the garlic for 2 to 3 minutes. You can also use finely chopped garlic for this recipe. The cherry tomatoes are baked and ready. Add them to the pan. Look at these beautiful cherry tomatoes. Mix them well with the garlic. The combination of baked cherry tomatoes and garlic is heavenly. I'm also gently mashing them. And look at this. The base sauce is ready and it looks gorgeous. Add the cooked pasta to the sauce. Make sure to separate any pasta strands that are sticking together. Sprinkle a little bit of salt or salt to taste. Black pepper powder, oregano. Mix it well. You can add chili flakes if you like, but I make this recipe for the kids and I try to keep this flavorful but spice free. If you are new to vegan recipes, check out the description section to download my free vegan guide. The vegan cherry tomato garlic pasta is ready. It smells heavenly and it's one of those light dishes you can pair up with anything. Bright, garlicky, flavorful and ridiculously comforting. You can also add some chopped basil or parsley, and if you're feeling fancy, a sprinkle of vegan parm would be cherry on the top. See how easy it is? So if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.